we will do today?
Sir, screen is not visible.
Screen is
Sir,
visible
we
on-
will do page number 103.
Okay, it's page number 103. Beta, my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, now it is.
Yes,
Oh,
sir, now it is.
MashaAllah. Okay, okay, listen to me and okay.
Yes, now it is.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah, sir. Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, and after that, I'll give you some questions. And today onwards, I will mark your performance level in the class. So be patient. Okay, behave properly.
So today you will mark our
Performance level. Okay, how will you perform while doing?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so multiplication. Okay, so before doing multiplication, I will show you something how we will do multiplication. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. The very first thing is that okay, I think this thing is visible to everyone. Okay. So what we are doing, suppose that we have 157.14. It gets multiplied by 2.3. Is it clear? So what we have to do? We have to do as we are doing earlier. Multiplication, the process of multiplication will remain same. Is it clear? How we are doing multiplication in whole number, this is same in decimal also. The very important thing while doing multiplication in decimal number is that we have to count the decimal. Okay, in this case where my cursor is moving on the screen, just look at it and see it, it is 157.14. Okay, so if you consider only this number, okay, so here is 157.14. Okay, here it is. Listen, listen. Here it is. We have 157.14. It get multiplied by which number? It get multiplied by 2.3. Okay, it get multiplied by 2.3. So it is same as we are doing multiplication. Just we multiply, and first we put the decimal here and forget about decimal. Means while doing multiplication, we forget the decimal. Okay, just do as we are doing earlier multiplication, and whatever the answer comes, here answer comes 361.422. 361.422. Okay, 361.422. This will be the answer after multiplication. So the very important thing is here is that, so beta, listen to me. The very important thing is that after multiplication, whatever will be the answer, in that answer we have to, beta, who is this? Who is speaking in between? Who is this? Listen this thing. This will deteriorate your performance. I'm telling you. You are not following instructions, then you have to suffer for that. Okay. So listen to me again and see here after two places decimal. Okay, here one place. So in the answer we have to put decimal, if you after 3 places, okay, from left to right, okay, 1 place, 2nd place and 3rd place, okay, total number of decimals are 3 places. I am again showing you the image also, okay. Here you can see that okay, 3 decimals are there. Okay, you have to count the decimal. Here it is 2 decimal places and here this is 1 decimal places. So total is 3 decimal places. So you have to put the decimal 3 decimal places. Remember, 3 decimal from where? From right to left or from left to right? From left to right. Again, I am saying you have to put the decimal from left to right. Okay, see it, I am showing you again. The answer will be 361.422. Okay, okay, remove it first. Okay, 361 and this is 22. Okay, now we have to put the decimals at how many places we have to put the decimal. See, it is at two places and it is here 1 place. So 3 places. We have to count from left to right. Is it clear, beta? So this is 1 place, 2nd place, 3rd place. So we have to put here decimal. So 422 is missing. Okay. Okay. What will be the answer? 361.422. It's 361.422. So this is 1 place, 2nd place, 3rd place. So after 3rd place, we put the decimal. Remember, again, I'm saying left to right. Okay. Listen carefully because I will give you some questions that shows your performance level. Okay, so onwards, inshallah, I will mark your how much you are taking interest and how much you are keen to solve the example, solve the questions which I am giving right in the class. Be careful for that. Okay, so again, I am showing you some other pictures so that it will be more clear to you. Okay. This will be the same. See here, when we multiply, when the multiplier is 10, 100 or 1000, we move the decimal point to the right by as many places as the number of zeros after 1 in the multiplier. Okay. Is it clear? For example, let's see. I am writing 240 224.235. Okay, this number is multiplied by 10. So what will be the answer? It will be, as I told you just now, okay, we have to move the decimal point to the right by as many places as the number of zeros. Okay, so look here, it is 8.597, so it is multiplied by 10. So decimal is moved to 1 place to the right hand side. Is it clear? So it will move to, it will become 242.35. It will be your answer. If it is multiplied by 100, okay, if 100 is there, so what will be the answer? The answer will be this decimal moves to 2 places and it will become 200 for 2423.5. Okay, similarly, if it is multiplied by 1000, okay, this number is multiplied by 1000. Okay, this number is multiplied by 1000. So we have to move 3 places, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So your answer will be, I'm writing your answer will be, it will be 24235. No decimal is there. Okay, if you want to put the decimal, it will put after 5.0 or no need because all the places are filled. Okay, is it clear? So this is the way of doing multiplication. There is another picture I'm telling. This is division. Okay, I'll tell it later. So this thing is clear to everyone. And right now, please do question number. I'm telling you which question you have to do right now. Okay. Yes. Open exercise 6.7. Okay. On page 106. Okay. Yes, beta, I'll give you chance to say. Let me complete me first. Okay. Try to do question number 1. Question number 1. Fifth part. Fifth part. All of you do question number 1, fifth part. Okay. Yes. One by one speak. Okay. This thing is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah. Beta, listen to me first. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask you something.
Yes, sure, beta.
Sir, can you show one more example? Sir, I want to tell that one trick is there in multiplying these decimals. Sir, like after decimal, how much numbers are there? So you have given that question 157.14. So after point, 2 numbers are there, 14 and 2.3. So 3 numbers are there. So we will put decimal before 3 numbers. 361.422.
Okay, this is also the way. The easiest way is beta just to add the number of places. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, which question?
Beta, just listen to me. This is also showing your performance. Okay, how much you are following the instructions, or how many of you following the rules also. Still 2 mics are open. Okay, if anyone want to just lower your hands. Okay, if no one of the
Sir,
student
please show one more example.
I will show you. Wait for a second. Okay, just
Sir,
lower.
I have understood all the things.
That's very nice.
Sir,
But
please explain the 6 parts, sir, please.
listen to me. Nidia Kusi,
Please
Isma,
explain.
lowered your hand.
Okay, sir. Loading.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have to. I'm writing on the board. Okay. Yes, Sharish, I will check. Wait. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Open page 6.7 exercise on page number 106 and do question 1, part 5. Okay, let me check how many students send me the answer.
Sir, please tell me how to divide that 13.
Beta, first you do this thing. Okay, I will tell you. Wait for that. Okay, Sharish is given 110, 200. It is okay. 1000. It is okay. Very good, mashallah. Okay, and 100 multiplied, so it will be 20. Very good. But I'm again saying that this to everyone that you should be very much cautious while placing or while putting the decimal. Okay, if you do the right calculation, then if you put the decimal at the wrong place, then it will deduct your marks. Okay, the answer will be wrong. Okay, beta. Okay, send me only.
Sir, I have submitted. Check my.
Isma has sent me. Okay, very good. Shirt. Beta. Okay, yeah, 2 places. Very good. Okay, Nabi also sent me. Beta. This is very good, mashallah. Both of you have done right. Try to do mathematics very neatly. Remember this thing. For a
Sir, I have done, sir.
Okay, I'm saying, who is this? Farhan. Farhan.
Sir,
very good.
Farhan Atullah.
Mashallah, the way you are writing is very good. Okay, it's very neat and clean. I like it very much. Okay, that's very, very nice.
can you share it how he is writing so that we will also write it?
Sir, I have done my work. Sir,
Okay,
please check
okay,
it.
okay, beta, listen to me. I am showing to you, Farhan.
Okay, sir.
Quiet, everyone. Yes, this thing is visible to everyone.
No, sir.
No, sir.
My screen is not visible.
Sir, it is visible.
Sir, it's
No, sir, it is
visible.
not visible.
No, it is visible.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir, now it is
Yes.
visible.
Beta,
No,
try.
sent you my work.
Okay, that's nice. So try to write the digits neat and clean, beta, because
Okay, sir, I have understood
listen
the
to me.
thing.
At the time of checking the copy, you are not
Okay,
present
sir.
there. You are not, students are not present there. So their work should be neat and clean. So that
Sir, I have done very neatly. Sir, please check my apps and
mashallah,
you.
mashallah. Okay,
Sir, I have also submitted.
okay. Nidia
Sir, I have
Kursi,
also submitted.
mashallah, Nidia Kursi.
Sir, I have also submitted. Please check.
Okay, I will checking quite okay. Oh,
Okay,
Nidia
sir,
Kursi, Nidia Kursi, okay, mashallah. Very nice. Neat
Sir,
and
we
clean.
have to multiply. So we have to multiply. We have to not divide it.
I will tell you the way of division also. Wait for a second. Okay. Okay. Yes, students. Yes. Yes.
What we have to do? Sir, I am also sent.
I am muting everyone. If you are shouting,
Sir, I am also sent.
listen to me.
Sir, we have to do one part 0.65 first 12 questions. We have to multiply. We have to multiply.
Listen to me first. Okay. You have to multiply in 6.7 as other students are sending the work, and also as I write on the screen how to do multiplication using decimal. Okay. Second thing is that you have to divide. How to divide? I am telling you. Okay. Okay, I'm showing you first of all, I'm sharing my screen so that you can understand easily. Okay. Yes, okay, this is the way of division. Okay, here we have to divide 40 by 5. Okay, before this, go to open your page number, open page number 105, and there are some division rules. Okay, dividing a decimal by 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, what we have to do? Okay, I am explaining this on the board. Okay, beta, I am checking later. Okay, I have checked you Nabha previous questions you sent me. Wait for it. Okay, let me complete division part. Then I'll check yours. Okay, wait for it. And okay, listen to me. I am showing you division of decimal. Okay. First thing is that as we do in multiplication, if we have to divide by 10, 100 or 1000, see page number 105. Okay, what we have to do? We have to, for example, 13.45 has to be divided by 10. Okay, so what will be the answer? Answer will be 1.345. Remember this thing, in division how many zeros are there? Like in multiplication, decimal point shifted, but in division, decimal point shifted backward, and in multiplication, division sign shifted forward. Means in division it will move from right to left, and in multiplication it will move from left to right. Okay, see here is 13. Okay, decimal is here, but when we divide it will move to this point. Okay, similarly, if we have 360 326.4, this numbers get divided by 100. So we know that there are two zeros. So you first write down the answer. What will be the answer? 3264, and two places are there. So already one place, decimal is at one place, so we have to shift it one place and two place. Then it will become your 3.264. Okay, what it will become? It will become 3.264. Remember, beta, this thing that in multiplication and division, uh, in case of zeros, just you have to count the number of zeros and shift the decimal places accordingly. In multiplication, okay, in multiplication, we have to go forward, and in division, we have to go backward. Okay, is it clear? Now this is the case when we have zeros in division. Okay, now come to another, that division by natural number. For example, it is given that 336.8 is divided by 23. So we have to do the same way as we are dividing earlier. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so 23, 2 times 23 is, it will be 46. It is more than 36, so only one time will be there. Okay, so here I will give you chance. Wait for a second. Okay, lower your hand. Okay, then it will be 23. Okay, what will be the answer? It will be 13. Okay, so 13 is less than 23. We put the decimal here. Okay, and we have to bring 8 downward. Now, what will be the next? It will be 6 times. Okay, after 6 times, it will be same as 138. Okay, 123 is multiplied by 8 times. So 8 3 times is 24 to carry 8 to 16. 16 plus 4 is what is this? Just hold. Okay, Hamza, what is this? It will be 6 3 times is 18, and it will be 138. So 138 it will cancel out. Okay, so 1.6. Again, I am telling you, you have to put the decimal in division where I am telling you that by image also. Okay, see here, as it is seen on your screen, that 40 is divided 5. 5 we have to divide, and remember this thing, as we know 5 is smaller than 40, we have to put the decimal, and as we putting the decimal, we have to take 0 as carry from the right hand side. Okay, and then it will become 50. Now we have to divide it as we are dividing normally. Okay, is it clear? So okay, we have to divide. Okay, first we put the decimal here. Okay, we put decimal because it is smaller. So we put decimal, then we take 0 as a carry, then it will become 50. So in this way, we put the decimal. Okay. Is it clear? Yes, student, this is clear.
Alhamdulillah, sir.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, your performance is
Clear.
good, MashaAllah.
Sir, I want to ask you.
Yes, sir.
Here we have divided 23 with 36.8. So we will put the point between 1 and 6.
Sir, I have understood very well.
Listen to
Sir, I
me.
have understood very well.
Listen,
Sir,
beta.
for example,
Listen, Hamza.
if it is
Asma, you speak. Hamza, turn off your mic. Fayyaz, you turn off your mic. I'll give you chance, okay? Yes, Asma,
Like
continue
in-
what you're saying.
sir, for example, this is the question 4 divided by 5. So, sir, we will put 0 and it will be 40. So, we will put
It will be 50, beta.
0.8. The answer will be like this.
It will be 50 as shown on, as I just shown you the pic. Okay. 40 is divided by 5. In this way, you have to do division. See also that 18.369. Okay. Okay. Yes, Fayyaz, you want to say something? You are raising your hand earlier. Fayyaz Khan, who is raising?
Sir, I want to ask that, sir, how we will put the decimal point when the answer will become?
Okay.
Sir, please,
Just
sir,
listen to me. Listen to me. Open page number 105 first of all. Okay. As
sir.
okay, opened or not?
Sir, please explain
Sir, I have
again.
opened.
Okay, opened, mashallah, very good. And listen to me, as we are doing, beta, who is speaking? Yes, mute. Listen to me, Fayyaz. Background
Yes, sir.
voices are coming. Okay, so listen to me. You speak. So turn off your mic. I am telling to you. As we are doing in multiplication, so how many zeros are there? We have to put the decimal point accordingly in the forward direction. Okay, means from left to right. And in case of division, how many zeros are there? You have to put the decimal accordingly in from right to left. Okay, in forward and backward direction. This is the case for putting decimal when we have to divide by 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, means zeros are there. Now we have, when we have to divide by natural number, what is the procedure? Okay, I'm telling you. Also, I'm writing on the screen. Just wait. Okay. So first of all, just I'm giving you an example. 18.369. Okay, is divided by 9. So forget the point first. Okay, just do division as we are doing earlier. Okay, it's 9. So 9, 2 times is 18. Okay, then it will be cancelled out. What we have to do? We have to put 3. Okay, as we are doing now. See here, as 3 is less than 9, so we have to put the decimal. Is it clear?
Yes,
And
sir. I want to.
okay, and put 0.
Sir,
Okay, yes, and
so but we can take this 6
Sir, I
also.
understood it.
yes, beta.
So but we can take this 0 also.
Why we have taken this 0? Is I am taking this 0 because I have to bring this downward. Okay, this 3 is less than, so we
It is important to put decimal in this question also.
beta, it's, we are what we are doing.
No problem.
Yes, beta. Who is this?
Sir, now can I ask?
Yes, yes.
Sir, here the question was 23 divided by 36.8.
Okay.
So after dividing with 36, we have taken 8 downside. So we will add point when we will take it.
Yes, beta. We
So
will
the point
take
will come
decimal.
between 1 and 6.
Sir, sir,
Okay,
I think sir, you have not put on the decimal. This
Where I'm not putting the decimal. Yes, Hamza.
this makes confusion.
Where?
Sir.
What Hamza?
Sir, sir, here.
Okay. You can understand like this also. This
Sir,
is
I'm
a,
telling. Sir, here.
Okay. I am not putting 0. I am telling you what is the reason. I just said that just do division as we are doing in as we are doing in whole number, as we are doing in whole natural numbers, the same way. Okay. As we are doing division, the same way we will do division here
Voice is
also.
not coming clear.
The only difference is that of putting the decimal, where we have to put the decimal. This is the important thing. Okay. You can look that 18 is completed. Okay. So after 18, there is a decimal in the given question also. Okay. We have to write. Yes. We have to listen. Beta, if you listen to me clearly, then every confusion will be cleared, inshallah. Okay. Listen to me first. Okay. Again, I'm taking 18.369. Okay. Divided by 9. Okay. So is 18.369 divided by 9. Remember, 9 2 times is 18. Is it clear? Okay. So this place is occupied. This place means to say that these two digits are get completed. So we have, as we are putting decimal here, we have to put the decimal here. Why? Because these two digits is consumed by 2 times of 9. Okay, so we have to put, and we have to write 3 as we are doing in normal division. Okay.
So
This
can you
3
explain once more? There
Okay.
was some network issue. So
Okay.
voice is not coming clear.
Okay, listen to me. We are doing same as we are doing division in normal way. What the way we are doing division, we are doing the same here. Only the difference is putting the decimal. So 9 times 2 is 18. So 18 is here. Okay. So this 18 is consumed. Okay. After 18, there is a decimal. So we put decimal here. Okay. We bring down this 3 downward. As this 3 is smaller than 9, we have to put 0. And we will take 6 downward. Okay. Now, what we know that 9 times 4 is 36. Okay. Then it will be 4 times will be 36. So this 36 cancelled out. Again, we put take 9 downward, and 9 times 1 is 9. So it will be 2.041. Okay. Just remember the very in one word I'm saying that to you. Just do normal division and put the decimal where we have to put the decimal. We have to put the decimal at the places which is already been covered. Means if 2 places division is
Okay, sir.
completed, then you have to put the decimal there. See the step number 2 on page number 105. Put the decimal point in the question just after completing. Listen and see step number 2 on 105 page. Okay, you have put the decimal point in the question just after completing. Okay. After completing the division of the whole number part of the dividend. If the remainder is 0, then division is completed. If the remainder is not 0, then put 0 to the right of the remainder and continue the division till we get 0 as a remainder. Okay. So listen to me, what you have to do in your assignment. I am telling you. Okay.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes, beta, sure, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please tell me how to do the third part from exercise 6.7 division 5.9 divided by 1000?
Question number 3, 6.7 exercise. Question number.
So division part, question number 3, 5.9 divided by 1000.
Where is it given 5.9 divided by 1000? Okay, I
Page
got it.
number,
Okay, I got it. Question number 4, 5.3 part, 5.9 divided by 1000. Okay,
yes, sir.
so it is 3 zeros are there. Okay, and you have to divide with 5.9. So as I just told you, in case of division, you have to move backward 3 places already. 1 places is already given. Okay, you have to.
Board is not visible to me.
Okay, it's 5.9 divided by 1000. Okay, so you have to move 3 places backward. Okay, clear? So 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. So here you have to put the decimal. There are no digits, you have to put the zeros then. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's clear.
Everyone, so what will the assignment? Please complete it. There's the whole exercises of 6.7. Remember this thing, inshallah. I will very much try to take test on Monday, inshallah. Okay, of decimal, of the fraction part. Sorry, of fraction part. Okay, but I will I will notify you. But listen to me and start preparing for the test on Monday, inshallah. Okay.
So, friction.
Yes, yes. First, first see the
Monday.
yes, beta. First assignment,
Sir, a fraction or decimal?
beta. What I said just now.
Sir, I was not able to
You
hear.
assigned the assignment.
Correction. I will write it on the board also. Okay. Assignment is you have to do exercise. Do exercise 6.7. Is it clear? And
Sir, you will take test.
Yes, sir.
Monday test chapter.
Sir, on Monday you will take test.
Beta, it is written on the board.
Okay,
Chapter
sir.
fraction. Is it clear? Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fraction is, I think fraction is very much clear to you.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Sir,
Okay.
can you tell me how to take a number in its simplest form? I have asked you on your personal number also.
Okay, you can whatever
Sir,
you yes,
on-
beta. Listen to me.
Sir,
Yes,
on set. Sir,
whatever.
we can ask on your personal number.
Sure, this I told you several times. Whatever you be the queries, you can ask me. Okay. Inshallah, as you got very good marks in chemistry and physics, also you will inshallah get very good marks in maths also.